I'm back to my channel. Got my floor put back in, dried it all out. The board was fine because I had plastic underneath anyway, so that prevented that from getting wet. So just put my lino back in again. Just got to finish it up with all this. Brand new seals, all dry. Side is dry as well. I got new seals for the side door. It rained last night and it was fine. At the moment I'm in the train station car park because, as you can see, the train tracks, because it's UK and it's raining again. Anyway, I had to get this done. I'm going away and I don't have it in a week, and I don't have time to do it because of work. So my curtain's done. A bit short, but it's fine. Lino's back down. Just got to put some boards on it now to set the glue, and just finish these side panels. That's fine, and one on the other side, and then the skirting or the lining here, and then I'm done. Yeehaw! But that small bit I can do that during the week. Anyway, thanks.